Hi, I'm Diego, and this is my presentation on Twitter for sport. Twitter is one of the most popular social media platforms today, amassing over 100 million daily active users and 500 million tweets daily. If you're not aware of how Twitter works, it allows users to share content and information through tweets. Here, content can be shared extremely fast, especially with the ability to retweet, or rather reshare other users' tweets. Mainly, Twitter is a platform which allows users to connect with millions of other people worldwide, sharing and collecting information on just about anything. So how important of a topic is sport in a massive social media platform like Twitter? Seeing as sport makes up a big part of the entertainment industry, it's an extremely popular topic that is talked about on a global scale. Each year, sports are constantly talked about on Twitter, and even more so when big sporting events such as the NBA playoffs, the World Series, and the Super Bowl are still fresh and relevant. During live sporting events, statistics show that fans use Twitter as a second screen to learn what's happening in real time, or even as a primary screen for those who can't watch the event. On average, there is a 4.1 increase in unique visitors coming to Twitter, whereas other social media platforms show no significant changes. Twitter also makes live sporting events more engaging and memorable for fans and viewers, showing a 31% increase in engagement and a 35% increase in memorability when using Twitter as a second screen. When using the platform as a primary screen, the numbers are even higher, with a 60% increase in engagement and a 59% increase in memorability. These numbers demonstrate the benefits of discussing sport on Twitter, showing the potential effect it has on the experiences of a sports fan online. Now let's look at who is involved in the discussion of sports on Twitter. First and foremost, one of the most common forms of discourse is between sports fans, because there are literally millions of them active every day, and with ongoing sporting events occurring all the time, there is no limit to the discussion that can be seen all over social media. Now we have the professional athletes, who also play a big role in discourse among social media, with most famous professional athletes known to be active on Twitter. They may use Twitter for several different reasons, which are through professional, official, and personal uses. Athletes may speak about their professions online, sharing their opinions in a more serious manner involving their occupations. They may speak as representatives of the league or club they play for, an organization they partnered with, or to promote themselves or their brand. And lastly, they may share their own opinions or thoughts about any topic they want. Maybe even show the public what's going on inside their personal lives. However, as role models, they do have a large influence on the rest of the sports community, and they are responsible for knowing what they should and should not share, considering the freedom they have to share whatever they like on Twitter. We also have plenty of professional sporting leagues, teams, clubs, and other organizations who have Twitter accounts, also significant parts of discussion in sport and social media. Currently, Real Madrid, Barcelona, and the NBA are examples who each have over 27.7 million followers on Twitter, with other professional sports teams and organizations also boasting millions of followers. On Twitter, these accounts keep followers up to date with the latest news regarding the organization, as well as posting exclusive content that no others have access to. They may also use this platform to promote their own athletes, sponsors, and other relevant figures within the organization. Lastly, other organizations and companies involved within sport and social media include those who are dedicated to sharing the best content they can regarding the topic. These organizations include examples like Bleacher Report, ESPN, Fox Sports, or any other big news company you could think of, who share the latest updates and news in sport. These accounts share the most prominent and most interesting stories surrounding the massive world of sports, aiming to post daily content to always keep followers entertained and up to date. Overall, we have evidence Twitter is definitely one of the most popular social media platforms used today, especially when it comes to sports. Fans, athletes, teams, and other organizations are all heavily involved within the discourse surrounding sport on Twitter, making for a very large, very active community with the potential to grow even further in the future.